Why do you think you have the right to comment on? Come here. Oh, yeah, mama matching this morning. Oh, hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome to a brand new day in JA with my girl. You do not. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Mwah. 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 Bye bye. Bye bye. Say hello. 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 Hi. Hello. Two. She's telling me two. Where's Tyler? No, 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 no. Can you say no, no? No, 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 no. And no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no. As I'm talking to you guys, duty calls, it's vlog time, so I have to publish right now. You guys, what are you guys up to? Let me say this camera good girl. What are you guys up to? How are you guys doing? It's a brand new day here on this side of the world in beautiful Nice in France. It's beautiful outside today, better than it was yesterday. Cloudy and rainy yesterday. Today it's sunny out. Tyler is long off to school. It's been a already long morning for me, but it's the first I'm picking up the camera for today. Babe is at the supermarket, so babe is gone shopping. He's home today, so you guys will see the supermarket haul today. I am going to just show you guys the frozen things and leave the rest of the things until Tyler come home, because the supermarket haul is just not the same without him. So yes, you're gonna see Tyler at the supermarket haul, so you guys have to stay tuned for that when Tyler come home from school. Right now I'm about to make some lunch for babe and I, so that when babe come back from the supermarket he can have lunch. I'm about to make a tuna salad, so I'm using lettuce, tuna. Why is this ketchup beside me? I don't know. And oh no, I didn't put any tomato on the list and I don't have any tomatoes. Every week I forget something. Every week I forget something. That's why when both of us go to the supermarket it's easier, because if I forget something on the list, once I'm walking through the aisle and seat, I remember that, hey, you need to pick that up. So it's not easy sometimes when just babe alone go to the supermarket, or even when it's just me alone go to the supermarket. Two. That's what they say? Two. Two is the only number she can call properly, and she'll just walk around saying two. One. Two. Anyway, you guys, I have a few things to do around here. You guys will see the rest of the fam bam in a bit. But right now, I'm just gonna go clean this kitchen up, make some lunch. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. And welcome to all our new subscribers to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up and join the fam bam. And if it's your first time watching right now, be sure you subscribe right now. You don't want to miss the vlog. Monday to Friday we post 5 days per week without failing. Here goes the husband. The husband. Hello, husband.
How are you?
I'm good.
I just paid.
Okay.
It's empty. I mean, it's like a Friday.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
No line.
Uh-huh.
And it's moving fast.
Okay.
And it's full of goodies.
Okay, cool. So you get everything? I just remember that I forget tomatoes.
Well, I didn't even pay attention to it.
Yeah.
I got everything. What else? What I didn't get? The happy biscuit for Tyler.
Uh-oh. So you take the other one?
No, I didn't take none.
Yeah, but if you don't see one, you take the other.
I believe we have enough of the other one.
Yeah, we do. That's okay.
And the plate for him because they put, like, they close all of the section.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yes, I think that's the only thing I didn't get.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing I didn't get.
The hospital called. The hospital called.
Alright. So I think, okay. Alright, I'm at the car, I'm gonna put the goodies in.
Alright, see ya. Love you too.
I'm so full of the tank.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
See, I told you.
Alright. Sarah is looking for you on the phone. Say hello to her.
Who?
Sarah.
Okay. Bonjour, Sarah. Alright, I have to leave you, okay?
Alright, later. Love you too. Okay guys, that was babe just finished shopping and heading home. So I'll talk to you guys when babe get here. I can't believe the amount of things I forget. That's flour? Flour, it's in a black bag.
Changed the bag.
You guys, babe back from the supermarket and we're only gonna do the frozen things, the fresh things that can't stay.
Frozen and fresh things.
And the first thing I see on the top of the bag, I go, babe, know to surprise me, know to make me happy.
Cake!
Cheesecake!
Cake! I find where is the cheesecake, so it was a good amount, so maybe...
Now I'm gonna look forward to it every week. It's the weekly treat. It's a weekly treat.
It's a weekly treat. So, yeah. That's not fresh. We got some cheese for the salad, some light cheese. Tyler will say healthy cheese. That is very good. We got some yogurt. Ooh.
For the princess.
Yogurt mouth.
Sorry,
And Sarah is eating my yogurt. So, one pack for Sarah, another pack for Sarah. Can I eat your yogurt, Sarah? Because you're eating my yogurt. Huh?
So like, leave me alone.
Yeah, I should have. I took one kiwi. Sarah don't like kiwi, so that wasn't intentional. But kiwi. So I got this these two things. Got some fish, Persian fish. I like fish, and she cook it well. I have to say, she don't cook well a lot of things, but the fish, she does it well. Thank you.
What did you just say?
I give you a compliment. I say you,
I don't cook well a lot of things.
I say you cook well fish.
You say I don't cook well a lot of things.
No, you only remember the a little part of the all of the entire sentence was to say that you cook well fish. Yeah, Mama, only
You guys,
remember.
I won't even say nothing. I won't even say nothing because you guys know that he's a hot mess.
Alright, what do I have?
He
Oh, I
doesn't
find
mean that
oxtail, 2 oxtail.
I'll take it.
You saw it in the bag
fridge.
first.
Yes.
I find 2, so I take 2, and she already have 1, so that's 3. Because Jamaican, she always take 2. We have some mince
Minced beef.
It wasn't there last week, it's there here. We're gonna have a nice week. We have some breasts.
Chicken breast is
Chicken
best.
breasts.
Breast is best. You
Shrimp.
haven't been finding the frozen shrimp?
No.
Okay.
One that look alike, but
That's fine.
shrimp and chicken. Chicken. Tyler will have make the chicken. 2 pack of chicken.
Oh, she love when Papa kiss her. You see, she literally go in for the kiss every time she see Papa. That's all the frozen things.
For frozen things, yeah. I think that's all that needs to go right now. I can't wait a couple hours for Tyler.
So we leave everything else for Ty. He'll be happy. The little things that get Tyler excited is like the supermarket haul. When we do the supermarket haul without him and I pick him up and I said, Tyler, guess what? I went to the supermarket today. So he said, the first thing he says, okay, when I go home, I take off my uniform, wash my hands, and then we do the supermarket haul. I'm like, no, we already do it. And he said, but Mama, we do the supermarket.
She's so pretty. I like to look at her.
Obsession. Listen, if Sarah didn't enter his world, I don't know what he would do. What you would do if Sarah didn't enter your world?
Papa. Alright, guys. She's talking, essentially.
She's babbling. She do a lot of that. And she'll do small words. Like she'll say bye-bye. She'll say mama when she's ready.
And she said
Papa.
tomorrow.
She said tomorrow one time.
Tomorrow.
I think the camera was on when she said it yesterday. She'll say a few things. She have probably like 5 words in her vocabulary right now. Which is
Alright, guys.
she's getting there slowly.
We see you soon.
Who is home? Say hello.
Wagwan.
What you eating?
Potato.
And what?
Chicken.
Alright, enjoy your dinner. Okay?
Okay.
Tyler groping. And Sarah is mad. Sarah? It's yummy? It's time to eat? That's dinner for baby and die a little Sunday. Next week Monday. Yo. Papa?
Mama.
Mama?
Mama.
Mama? It's not like a dead goat. A goat about to die. Say hello to the face.
Wagwan.
Look who is home from school.
The boss.
Oh, the boss of the supermarket hall boss. Alright, ready? Let's do this. Lego. Take down that potato from in front of him.
What is that, Tyler?
You tell them what.
It's potato for mash. I wanted to do raclette, but because you eat them for mashed potatoes, so there's no more for raclette. We can't eat raclette now. I'm sorry.
Sarah has joined the party. Sarah, come baby here. Put down.
So you don't give the fish?
No, you give.
Alright.
And you want to do it together.
Alright, guys, this is the blade. This is flour. This is flour to do a lot of dumpling because Tyler loves dumpling. Belly dumpling.
Avocado.
Very good.
Avocado. What else do we have? What is that?
It grew on the tree.
This go on the tree? No, this is this go on the tree.
That grown vines.
Well, that goes somewhere. What is that, Tyler? I hope I took the right one. Oh, you know I found kiwi with red inside. It was
I don't want that.
kiwi with, and it's so expensive.
I don't want that.
What is that, Tyler?
Kiwi.
Kiwi for who?
Papa.
Yes, thank you. I know. Oh, what is that? Look what I found, Tyler. For my breakfast.
It's for me and you.
Look how you're gonna fall right now.
This is crepe.
Tyler, you're gonna fall.
I love crepe. What is that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla for what?
Speak up loudly.
Pancake.
Vanilla for packet. Oh, Mama tree.
Tree.
I told you yesterday, Mama cut off your tree. She put them in the supermarket and sold them.
What's
you know
this?
your tree was like this.
Ooh, a croissant moon.
Oh yes, that's a croissant moon. That's a plantain.
Ooh, that's a.
That looks like a Delaveaus knit. That's like a laser blade.
Or it looks like a straight line that a ninja used to.
This is what Sarah have all day. Sarah play all day with the carrots. Carrot. Another tree. I told you she cut a lot of tree.
Oh, I want. Oh, it's another croissant moon.
This is a pumpkin.
No, it's a croissant
You know
moon.
that I used to call you my pumpkin, you're my little pumpkin. You are looking exactly like this when you were little. Exactly like this. Mama used to
This
call
one.
you pumpkin.
I still call him pumpkin. What is this?
Oh, ball.
Oh, that's forward. That's tennis ball.
Yes, that's
That looks like tennis ball. That's
Yes.
2 pack of apple tennis ball.
What's
Ah, that's dirty.
It's the cake.
It's dirty.
Sweet potato.
It's very dirty. I don't want to touch that.
Oh, another croissant moon.
A croissant, no, that's banana. That's banana with a French flag that means come from France.
Ooh,
A
yellow
lot of lemon
ball.
for Tyler drinking, a lot of honey and lemon.
Ooh, tree.
Oh yeah. You want to become a farmer?
Celery.
You want to become a farmer and
Next.
a lot of celery? What do we have here? Oh la 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 la.
Vinegar.
That's not vinegar. That looks like vinegar. I can tell you, Tyler,
you're not gonna
this is not vinegar. Mama, you can see that is Mama Precious. She's doing that, and that's one of her favorite alcohol.
If you
drinks.
want me to love you,
Papa?
buy me Baileys.
Papa,
I got the chick.
I could take the thing that you need to put in your breakfast.
All right, tell me what else is here. Oh,
To put in your
wow.
bread.
Yes, thank you, Tyler. You are so right.
So tell the babes what it
This
is.
is Nutella. This is Nutella. You have all regular oil. Babe says she wants a tan, so I get her oil so she can tan with the oil. Burn with the oil. You have our bread. Brown
Rice.
bread.
Come.
Rice. Is that good? Is it good rice?
Yes.
Right.
Oh, it's something to do some exercise. Papa, let me
You
do.
can't drink that because I need exercise, so you will never drink that.
You are here.
Come, Tyler. Ty.
What is that, Tyler? Alright,
Stop screaming.
I can lift it up. I got.
here we come. Sure, I have some apple juice too.
You guys see why the supermarket haul is not the same without him? His excitement is just too much. I can't.
What's next? Go faster, lady.
Yeah. Don't drop it in your sister.
Another orange juice.
Let's see if Tyler know what this is. What this is.
To spray the toilet when it stinks.
When who make it stinky?
You, Mama.
Pa, oh no, mama. Pa, oh no. Is Papa here first?
No.
Papa and
No,
Mama.
that Papa not stink.
You too.
Well,
And me.
me want to show me somebody poop will smell sweet.
Not yours for sure.
Well, I don't care. I don't know shame in my game.
Apple juice. We have to put a calendar on the toilet because when she go, there's a clock. Like for 30 minutes, you can't go in the toilet. That's how stinky it is.
If y'all believe that, comment down below and let us know
That's how stinky
if y'all
it is.
believe
There's
it.
a clock in the toilet. After you are 30 minutes. A mouchoir. Mouchoir.
Wait. Yours first. This one.
Donuts. You like that donuts?
Rock, paper, scissors to get this one. Ah!
Paper.
Wait.
What is that good?
Wait. If you lose, you get none of it. If you win, you
I
get
want to
all
know
of
what
it.
is that. I didn't take anything that was so good.
Paper. Scissors. Shoot. I think I love it. Mama, I want to.
Oreo. Try to fight for the Oreo. I'm gonna make sure that babe don't get none. Alright, what else do we have? We have some healthy cereal for me and some drink for
Come, let's
Tyler.
continue.
What else do we have? Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. We have some non-healthy cereal for babe.
That's the most healthiest cereal in this house.
Oh, what is that? Is juice?
Why is it a 10 pack?
Because that was the only pack.
Okay. Just checking.
Oh!
That's juice.
I drop
Tyler.
it in your sister head.
We have juice, we have baby
I'm
juice.
whole.
You didn't see the soap on sale?
I'm
No,
whole.
I was sad. It was another time. I wanted to change.
Alright, don't do that. Don't
We
do
have
that.
some pure fruit compote, however you call it, in your
Don't do
country.
that. I tell you
But
one time.
she liked the other one when it's strawberry and all this.
She don't mind it. She eats all of them. It's Tyler prefer that one.
Alright.
Alright, you guys.
You should
That's the end. Look at Sarah biting me though. I'm talking about no.
Alright, Tyler, what's missing? Something is missing.
I think so too.
I think the cucumber and the zucchini
You
is
guys,
missing.
can you believe that? The things that I buy every week, I forget cucumber to put on the list. I forget green beans, and I forget, what else I forget? Zucchini for Sarah.
You have orange for Sarah?
You have enough orange.
Okay, because I will go eventually to a supermarket just for the orange for Sarah.
So you're not going just for my cucumber?
No, I don't care about you. I care about Sarah. My Sarah.
Mama,
Papa
Mama,
wants you to have your
I'm
orange
sad.
juice.
Why?
Papa say he doesn't care about me.
And
I
not
care
forget the
about
raclette.
you.
You
Tell
care
me
about
want
me?
the
Yeah.
raclette.
Don't kiss her.
She's my daughter.
Where?
She's my daughter.
Where?
In the paper.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul. No. Hey. No. It's time to go shower. It's time to shower. Time to shower. Time to shower. Time to shower. Well, babes, night. Bye. See you guys tomorrow. Say tomorrow. I'm gonna give this girl a shower. Put her down to bed. It's 15 minutes before 8. 8 o'clock on the dot. My day starts. Come! Before I recorded this clip, yes, I know that I put myself out there on social media to be criticized, and I'm very much mindful of that. I put my entire family out there to be criticized, and obviously my back is kind of broad enough to take it. I know that. That's not the point here. Now, someone commented under one of the vlogs this week. I don't remember which vlog. And I quote, "Hey Mel, you are looking too slim. You need a little bump. Being healthy doesn't mean you have to be so slim." So the person is telling me that obviously I am too slim, and being healthy doesn't necessarily mean too slim. Now, a comment like that, to me personally, I can take it, but on the flip side, why do you think you have the right to comment on someone's body? I don't think you have the right to do that. And if I am skinny, it's because I choose to be skinny, and I'm okay with being skinny, and my self-esteem is so grounded that whether being on the bigger side, fat, or on the skinnier side, slim, I am completely okay with that. Very, very much okay with that. No, put yourself in someone else's shoe that is not me, with the big personality and the grounded self-esteem. What if you make a comment like that to somebody who have a very, very low self-esteem and have body issues? That comment would have made that person gone a complete different way. So all I'm saying is, be mindful of what you say to others. Be mindful of what you say to others, because it might have gone a completely different way if I was that person with body issues. And you know, I've taken a shot of the message and posted it on my other social media, and I've gotten so many messages, especially on Instagram. I've gotten so many messages of people saying, this is why I don't post picture of myself, or this is why I don't post picture of my journey, because I'm afraid to be criticized. No, listen to me right now. If you want to share your pictures, don't let anyone allow you to not share that picture. If you want to share your journey for others to be inspired, share your journey and let others be inspired. Don't be afraid of comments such as this one coming in under your post. That's completely okay. If you put it out there, it means that you're confident enough and you're okay with sharing how you look. Don't let anyone tell you how you are supposed to look or how they approve of you to look. If you look a certain way, it means that you are okay with looking that way. And I also get a lot of messages that, hey Mel, don't be discouraged by the comment. You look okay. Trust me, my self-esteem is so grounded and I'm so positive in my skin that a comment like that cannot faze me. What I'm trying to say, why I make this message, is that others might not have taken this comment the way that I take it. So be mindful of what you say to others. Yes, the internet is there for everybody. Yes, it is there for everybody to write their comments, and it's there for everybody to speak their mind, but be kind. It goes a long way. Be mindful of what you say to others. My grandmother used to say, if you don't have nothing good to say, no say nothing at all. You know, the funniest thing is the being healthy don't mean you have to be so slim. It's the being healthy means you don't have to be so slim. Being healthy doesn't mean you have to be so slim. Being healthy doesn't mean you have to be on the bigger side either. Being healthy doesn't mean you have to be so slim, but I choose to be that slim. Being healthy doesn't mean that you have to be on the bigger side, but you choose to be on the bigger side. And that's completely okay. You don't get to tell people what is okay or what you want them to look like. They look the way they look because they chose to look that way. And if I didn't choose to be slim, I wouldn't be doing what I do to be slim. Okay? 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 And many gonna say, Mel, don't answer her. I am just making this message so people who have low self-esteem and less confidence in themselves to tell you to share what you want to share and to look how you want to look, and that's okay. Okay? That's okay, my girl. Don't let anybody tell you how to look, right? Right? It's okay to look slim if you want to be a slim girl. And it's okay to look juicy if you want to be juicy girl. Right? Right? Approve this message. Right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good girl.